Dude, did you hear that? Fuck, did you hear that?
Right.
Like, did you hear that? The 4 voices I heard. It sounded like somebody was having a conversation like far away, but it sounded close.
Yo, can you guys hear that?
Dude, I swear. I heard something over here, like twigs snapping. And I just heard whatever that was.
What do you think that was?
I don't know, laughing?
Yeah, it sounded like a high-pitched giggle.
Yeah.
Oh, say, Evelyn, are you here right now?
Evelyn, are you here right now?
Evelyn, I'm going to set up a bunch of toys for you to play with, okay? And we believe Evelyn is the little girl that called out to me and Sam that night.
Dude, I swear to God.
What's up, Spirit?
Can you go touch that?
Evelyn, if you're here.
Dude, did you hear that? Fuck, did you hear that? Yo.
You guys can hear that, right? We just heard the whistling again. What are you feeling right now?
I'm surrounded. I feel like I'm surrounded.
Stay in charge.
Spirit!